Using SeaHow's buoy tender management software together with GPS, the precise buoy location is easy to find. The Finnish traffic agency is constantly replacing old steel buoys with SeaHow polythene buoys because of their better cost efficiency over the life cycle of a buoy. In most of the cases in Finland, the ice buoys are deployed in pre-tension mode. This gives greater accuracy for the buoy location and better survival in ice fields during the winter. Deployment preparations on board include switching the lantern on and calculating the deployment draft. In pre-tension deployment mode, the buoy draft must be calculated against the mean sea level, taking into account the prevailing tide. The calculated deployment depth is marked on the side of the buoy with waterproof oil chalk. The deployment of pre-tension buoys can be done with or without a diver. The adjustment of the buoy draft is however easier with a diver using a winch, wire and block wheel. The chain is connected to the sinker that is lifted overboard and lowered to the bottom. The upper end of the chain is temporarily locked onto a slot on the side of the vessel. The buoy is lifted to float sideways on the water. A wire that runs through the block wheel to a winch on board the vessel is connected to the buoy. The diver dives down to the bottom with the block wheel. Down there he connects the block wheel temporarily to the sinker on the bottom. The winch pulling the wire eventually also pulls the buoy to an upright position. The chalk marks on the side of the buoy make it easy to monitor the correct deployment draft. When the deployment draft is correct, the chain is connected to the buoy and the shackles secured against self-opening. The buoyancy of the buoy tightens the anchor chain and keeps the buoy in an upright position. The diver disconnects the block wheel from the sinker. The diver returns to the surface after a job well done. With the right equipment and experienced personnel, the deployment of SeaHow's buoy takes only about 1 hour.